Hello everyone, welcome to back again. Now I am share new earn app signing with Google. I am just click now. Okay, select your Gmail account, automatically login. Join my Telegram channel. Okay, must be my referral code. I am share. Okay, Telegram channel and new update. I am share. I am use my firm referral code. Referral code used must be start games. I am just click now. Play games option. Click and open this others app, download must be, and signing this app. Okay, signing with Google options. I'm just click now, automatically log in your account. Okay, read the app and earn 0.10 cent. Okay, open Google Play Store and 5-star rating now, nice, and post submit now and back again. Okay, and reward booster. Okay, start now. I'm just open and reward booster. Okay, I'm back again now. Next. Okay, unlimited offer available, survey complete, and unlimited coins earning and convert to PayPal cash. Okay, and I am open and I'm just click now ads option. Watch this video and 0.5 cent 5 points earning. Okay, available now. And I am back again in fight and earning 1 friend in fight 0.02 earning bonus, 0.2 cent earning. Okay, use my referral code. And okay, I'm back again now and I'm just click down leaderboard options. Unlimited earning $1, $0.2, okay, $5, unlimited earn dollars, and play option. I'm just clicking now roll dice ludo. Okay, climb this and video are showing now and earning 6 coins. And next, unlimited earning process 1 ticket, 1 playing chance. Okay, I'm back again now. This application many ads. Okay, credit earning ad, watch ad and credit earning play roll device and earn coins unlimited. Okay, I am open wallet option. Okay, wallet option and invitation option and Telegram channel. Okay, open Telegram channel and all support now. Okay, and I'm back again now and I'm just click now invitation option. Okay, sorry, wallet options, and just waiting at 0.12 cent earning, and select your country. India, Brazil, Philippines, and Pakistan, and others country PayPal. All country PayPal available. Okay, and all country PayPal available. I am showing now. Okay, enter your PayPal email address and your username. Save my PayPal email address and save details option. And I'm just click the withdraw option and minimum withdraw $5 earn and transfer this wallet. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, TM Social Market YouTube channel. Thank you.